We'll demonstrate ribbed spiderweb stitch. Let's see this pattern. Can see some straight lines drawn above. These straight lines are foundation lines. We first stitch these straight lines. This way can proceed with later wrapping. Let me demonstrate. Come up at end of this line. Then take down at middle. We stitch all these foundation lines. Again, take down at middle. Note, don't pull thread too tight. Must maintain balanced tension. Otherwise, will not be easy to wrap later. After stitching all straight foundation lines, start wrapping. Come up between any two lines, not coming up at center point. Then wrap thread to back foundation line. For example, we call this line A. Wrap thread above line A, thread from below line A, and line B. This way will form loop. Wrapped on line A, slightly adjust loop. Try to get close to middle. Demonstrate again. Now we are below line B. Again, wrap thread above line B. Thread needle from below line B. Thread to front line C. Then return needle to below line C. Thread directly to front line D. Wrapped one loop on line C. Following these operation steps, wrap thread. Each threading must thread through two lines. After threading, must push loop to middle. Let it get close to center point. This way, first circle is complete. Second circle also same. Return thread to wrap above line A. From lines A and B, below thread through. When threading, only thread, not fabric. Cannot thread needle directly into fabric below. When wrapping, maintain balanced tension. Cannot pull too tight. Pulling too tight, final presented effect will look wrinkled. That will affect appearance. Movements should be slow. Wrapped pattern will be delicate. This stitch wrapped pattern will present three-dimensional spiderweb shape. Adding it to any type of embroidery will be especially interesting. Wrap until below pattern completely covered. We take down here. Let's see the overall finished effect.